Bug. To irritate or annoy someone. My brother bugs me all the time. My sister bugs me every day to take her to the park. Breach. To break or violate a rule, law, or agreement. He was jailed for breaching the law. He breached the school rules by skipping class. Breach. To make a hole or gap in something. I saw a big breach in the old wall. The strong wind breached the tent, tearing a big hole in it. Blazing. Extremely hot, bright, or intense. The weather is blazing hot today. The runners raced under the blazing sun. Crook. A criminal or dishonest person, stealing, lying, and cheating. The crook was arrested by the police. The crook stole money from the old lady's purse. Addict. Unable to stop doing something that is often harmful. She is addicted to online shopping. He is addicted to video games. Flex. To bend or move a muscle or joint. Flex your arms up and down. She flexed her fingers before playing the piano. Miserable. Very unhappy or uncomfortable or in a bad state. I was feeling miserable after losing my job. He was miserable without his friends at the party.